Nestled in the northernmost region of Pakistan lies the breathtakingly beautiful Gilgit Baltistan. This region is a hidden gem, often overshadowed by more well-known destinations, but it holds a unique charm that is unparalleled. Gilgit Baltistan stands as a testament to nature's grandeur. The majestic mountain ranges with their snow-capped peaks create a stunning backdrop that captivates the soul. This land of towering peaks and pristine valleys is often referred to as the roof of the world. The sheer scale and beauty of the landscape are awe-inspiring, drawing adventurers and nature lovers from around the globe. It borders China to the north and east, Afghanistan to the northwest, and the Pakistani-administered region of Azad Kashmir to the south. This strategic location has made it a melting pot of cultures and traditions. The region's diverse cultural heritage is reflected in its vibrant festivals, traditional music and local crafts, offering a rich tapestry of experiences for visitors. Covering an area of over 72,000 square kilometers, or approximately 28,000 square miles, Gilgit Baltistan is a vast expanse of natural beauty. Its diverse terrain includes everything from high-altitude deserts to lush green valleys, making it a paradise for trekkers and explorers. Gilgit Baltistan is home to some of the world's highest mountains, including K2, the second tallest peak on Earth. These towering giants challenge even the most seasoned climbers. The allure of K2, with its formidable height and treacherous slopes, has made it a coveted destination for mountaineers seeking to test their limits. The region is characterized by its dramatic topography, with deep gorges, lush green valleys, and crystal-clear rivers. Each element of the landscape tells a story of geological wonder. The lush green valleys, dotted with quaint villages, offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The crystal-clear rivers provide a refreshing contrast to the rugged mountains. The mighty Indus River, the lifeline of Pakistan, flows through the heart of Gilgit Baltistan. This river has been a source of sustenance and civilization for millennia. Flowing through the valleys, the Indus River nourishes the land and supports the diverse ecosystems that thrive here. Sustaining life and shaping the landscape, the Indus River is a vital artery that connects the people and the land of Gilgit Baltistan. Gilgit Baltistan is a paradise for nature enthusiasts and adventurers. Nestled in the northern regions of Pakistan, this area is a treasure trove of natural wonders and breathtaking landscapes. From towering peaks to serene valleys, it offers a unique blend of beauty and adventure. It boasts three of the world's highest mountain ranges: the Karakoram, the Himalayas, and the Hindu Kush. These ranges are not just geographical features, they are the lifeblood of the region, shaping its climate, culture, and way of life. The Karakoram, the Himalayas, and the Hindu Kush are renowned for their stunning beauty and formidable challenges. Each range has its own unique characteristics, from the rugged terrain of the Karakoram to the lush greenery of the Himalayas and the stark beauty of the Hindu Kush. These majestic ranges are home to some of the most challenging peaks for climbers, including K2, Nanga Parbat, and Broad Peak. Climbers from around the world come to test their skills and endurance on these formidable mountains, drawn by the allure of conquering some of the highest and most difficult peaks on Earth. The region is also adorned with numerous glaciers, including the Baltoro Glacier, one of the longest outside the polar regions. These glaciers are not just stunning to look at, they are vital sources of fresh water for the region, feeding rivers and sustaining communities. These glaciers, though facing the threat of climate change, feed the mighty rivers that flow through the valleys. The melting ice provides a continuous supply of water, which is crucial for agriculture, drinking water, and maintaining the delicate ecological balance of the region. The Indus River, along with its tributaries like the Gilgit River and the Shyok River, irrigates the land and supports diverse ecosystems. These rivers are the lifelines of the region, providing water for irrigation, supporting wildlife, and sustaining the livelihoods of the people who live along their banks. The rivers carve through the landscape, creating fertile valleys and supporting a rich tapestry of life. Despite its rugged terrain, Gilgit Baltistan is home to several vibrant cities and towns. Gilgit, the capital city, serves as the administrative and commercial hub of the region. It offers modern amenities while retaining its traditional charm. Skardu, nestled in a valley surrounded by towering peaks, is a popular destination for its stunning scenery and adventure sports. Hunza, known for its long-living residents and breathtaking landscapes, attracts visitors with its ancient forts, lush orchards, and the majestic Rakaposhi Peak. Other notable towns include Ganche, Giza, Nagar, and Chilas, each offering unique cultural experiences and natural beauty. The pristine environment of Gilgit Baltistan faces various environmental challenges. Climate change is leading to glacier melt, impacting water resources and increasing the risk of floods. Deforestation, driven by the demand for timber and fuel wood, poses a threat to biodiversity and soil stability. Local communities are actively engaged in conservation efforts. Initiatives like tree plantation drives, promoting fuel-efficient stoves, and raising awareness about responsible tourism are gaining momentum. Sustainable practices such as eco-friendly trekking and mountaineering guidelines are being implemented to preserve the region's fragile ecosystem. Section 5. A tapestry of cultures, diversity and heritage in Gilgit Baltistan. Gilgit Baltistan is a melting pot of cultures, languages and traditions. The region is home to various ethnic groups, including the Shina, Balti, Waki, Burushaski and others, each with its distinct language, customs and heritage. Music and dance play a vital role in the cultural fabric of Gilgit Baltistan. Traditional instruments like the sitar, rubab and daf accompany vibrant dances that reflect the region's rich heritage. Local crafts such as carpets, shawls and woodwork showcase the artistic skills passed down through generations. Section 6. A land steeped in history, unraveling the past of Gilgit Baltistan. Gilgit Baltistan has a rich history dating back centuries. This region, nestled in the northernmost part of Pakistan, has been a melting pot of cultures, traditions and civilizations. Its strategic location has made it a focal point for various historical events and movements. The region served as a vital link on the ancient Silk Road, facilitating trade and cultural exchange between South Asia, Central Asia and China. Merchants, travelers and explorers traversed these routes, bringing with them not just goods but also ideas, religions and innovations. Ancient rock carvings and inscriptions found throughout the region provide glimpses into its historical significance. These carvings, etched into the rugged landscape, tell stories of ancient peoples, their beliefs and their interactions with the world around them. The region witnessed the rise and fall of various empires and dynasties, including the Kushans and the Mongols and the Mughals. Each of these empires left an indelible mark on the region, contributing to its rich tapestry of history and culture. Forts like the Baltit Fort in Hunza and the Altit Fort stand as reminders of the region's princely states and their architectural prowess. These forts, with their intricate designs and strategic locations, offer a window into the past, showcasing the ingenuity and resilience of the people who built them. Section 7. Adventure awaits tourism and infrastructure development. Gilgit Baltistan's breathtaking beauty and adventure tourism opportunities attract visitors from around the globe. The region offers trekking trails for all levels, from challenging climbs to scenic walks. Mountaineering expeditions to conquer the world's highest peaks draw experienced climbers. The government is investing in infrastructure development to improve accessibility and enhance the tourism experience. The Karakoram Highway, often called the eighth wonder of the world, connects Pakistan to China, providing access to stunning landscapes. New hotels, resorts and transportation facilities are being developed to cater to the growing influx of tourists. Section 8. Balancing act, tourism and sustainability in a fragile paradise. While tourism brings economic benefits to Gilgit Baltistan, it's crucial to ensure its sustainability. Uncontrolled tourism can strain resources, damage the environment and erode cultural authenticity. Promoting responsible tourism practices such as waste management, respecting local customs and supporting local businesses is essential. Community-based tourism initiatives, where local communities are involved in managing tourism activities, can empower locals and ensure the equitable distribution of benefits. Educating tourists about the region's cultural sensitivities and environmental fragility is crucial for long-term sustainability. Section 9. Gilgit Baltistan, a legacy for future generations. Gilgit Baltistan, with its unparalleled beauty, cultural richness and warm hospitality, holds a special place in the heart of Pakistan. Preserving its natural wonders, promoting responsible tourism and empowering local communities are vital for the region's sustainable future. By valuing its heritage and protecting its fragile ecosystem, we can ensure that Gilgit Baltistan continues to inspire and captivate generations to come.